So that's what I'm also doing, because like you couldn't see it till just now, but like as I was filming with you, going live, I was also filming on my Canon. And then like I said, it'll be a longer YouTube video, it'll be a blog post, it'll be a podcast post. And then I'll take a super quick clip and then put it into Splice, which is a quick editing tool I use. It's free, you can download it. And there's also a post for those of you that are curious on video. Oh my God, it smells so amazing. I wish there was technology that you could not only see, but smell, you guys. Oh my God, it legit like, oh my God, it tastes like Thanksgiving. Almost like a Thanksgiving praline pie. And what was I saying? Oh, if you're curious about video, there's a post I have on the blog and podcast, how to create videos like a boss, so that can help you with some more tools. Oh my God, you guys, this tastes so freaking, like I haven't even tasted it yet, but it smells so amazing. Oh my God. I don't know what it is about eggs, but it just adds something, right? Like, I don't know what it is, but it just definitely adds something to the mix. So yeah, so I hope that helps. So that's a quick one. And then let me get my thingy. Slash pan. I said thingy. You can tell there's a real Julia Child going on here, right? And so what I'm gonna do on this pan, I'm just gonna, just for like presentation sake and examples, because I'm doing 3 different things, I'm just gonna do like 3 different things, because there's muffins, which I'm just making it like a quick, like a bar, because I don't have a muffin pan. I did, but I don't know what I did with it. I think I donated it, you guys. My mom always jokes because I donate stuff like every week. And she's like, next thing I know, you're gonna be living in a tent, because I don't like clutter. I'm always clearing stuff out. I cleared out my dresser this weekend. I cleared out my kitchen. I cleared out like 6 pairs of shoes. So I'm like always, always, always clearing clutter. And I'm a big believer that clutter like stops us from abundance. It stops space from flowing. I also got rid of my car for the 2nd time now. So I had 6 cars by the time I was 30. And then I didn't have a car for 2.5 years. Then I got one again. And I realized, you guys, I live in Atlanta. I was literally using it like twice a week.